Hi everyone, we have a big semicircle with radius equal to 7 centimeter. We need to find the radius of a smaller circle within this bigger semicircle that we have it. Pause the video and try solving this problem. Alright, let's try solving this problem. So we are given the radius of this bigger semicircle which is 7 centimeter, and therefore this radius of that semicircle is 7 centimeter too. And so is the case with this radius, because all the circles radiuses have the same dimension, which is the same dimension of 7 centimeter in this case. Now let's take a look at these smaller semicircles which are touching the center of the bigger semicircle. And let's denote the center points of these two smaller semicircles as well. Now the distance from the center to the edge for this smaller semicircle also will be 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5 centimeter, because the 7 centimeter for the smaller semicircle is the diameter. So would be the case here that this distance will be 3.5 centimeters too. On the same token, this distance will be 7.5 centimeters from the center to the center of a smaller circle to a smaller semicircle to the center of the bigger semicircle. That distance will be 3.5 centimeter too, and so will be the case here. So far so good. Now let's assume the radius of the smaller circle which we are chasing is equal to r, and let's drop a line from this semicircle, the bigger semicircle center, to the edge of the circle. Right now this distance is 7 centimeter too, and the reason for that is that the bigger semicircle has a radius of 7 centimeter, and this is a radius as well, and therefore this distance from this point to this point is going to be 7 centimeter as well. And let's denote this to be the center of the smaller circle, and we know that the radius of the smaller circle is r, therefore distance from here to here is r as well. And because this is r, the rest of the distance from here to here will be 7 minus r, because the total distance is 7. So we just subtract 7 minus r to get the distance from this point to this point, which is equal to distance from this point to this point. So this is 7 minus r from here to here. Now let's join these two centers. When we join these two centers, what do we get? We get this distance, which is 3.5 centimeter, because it's a radius of a smaller semicircle, and this distance is r, and we know that this angle is going to be 90 degree. So if we just take up this triangle, all the dimensions of the three sides of a triangle, we know about them. Let's redraw the triangle. So what do we get in this triangle? We get one of the sides of the triangle, which is 7 minus r. We get the hypotenuse, which is 3.5 plus r, and we get the base of this triangle, which is 3.5 centimeter. And now we can apply the Pythagorean theorem to this right triangle, which is 3.5 plus r the whole square is equal to 3.5 the whole square plus 7 minus r the whole square. So what do we get? We just expand a plus b, right? So we know that a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if we have minus here, a minus b the whole square, then what do we get? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is just a standard expansion of a square term, right? So what do we get here? We get 3.5 square plus 3.5 times r times 2 plus r square equal to 3.5 square plus 7 square minus 7 times 2 times r plus r square. Let's take the like terms out, which is 3.5 square and 3.5 square on both the sides that we have it, so that gets out of the way. We see one r square here, we see one r square here, so that also goes out of the way. So what are we left with? We are left with 3.5 times 2, which is 7r. So we got this term in shape, equal to 7 square, which is 49, minus 7 times 2, which is 14, 14r. So we got this term, and the other terms have been cancelled. So we are left with this equation. So let's subtract 14r, let's add 14r on both the sides. So we add 14r here, we add 14r here. So what do we get now? We get 21r on the left side equal to 49, and minus 14r and plus 14r gets cancelled out, and therefore we get r equal to 49 divided by 21, which is equal to 7 times 7 on the numerator and 7 times 3 in the denominator. 7 gets cancelled out, so we get 7 by 3 centimeter. This is our answer for the radius of a smaller circle, which is equal to 7 by 3 centimeter. You can use your calculator to calculate the value of 7 by 3 centimeter, but that is the answer that we have it. This concludes our video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to receive more updates on future videos. If you would like to see a video on a specific topic, please suggest us in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Good luck.